Hello there guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my testimonial as a CVAP scholar. Unang-una sa lahat, gusto kong magpasalamat for this opportunity to become a CVAP member, a certified voice artist. Simula nung bata pa ako, gustong-gusto ko na talagang maging isang voice artist. But then, I didn't have that confidence to become one. Kaya, yung pangarap na yon, medyo masasabi nating parang tinangay ng hangin. But then, through a friend who recommended me to join the scholarship of CVAP, talagang the feelings, there's happiness, saka, yung grateful ka, very, very grateful. Nung na-meet ko, si VM Pocholo de Leon Gonzalez, I was like, wow, nakakatakot naman. But then he was so nice. And I was like, wow. This man is worthy of respect and admiration.